Hello students, welcome back to the second part of the topic, three-point perspective. In our previous lesson, you learned about the ant's eye view. Today, let's have a look at the bird's eye view concept. This is a picture of St. James Cathedral situated in Portsmouth. It has been photographed from a high elevated angle as if seen by a bird. This concept is called a bird's eye view. A bird's eye view is an image obtained when the position of the observer is significantly higher than that of the subject. It is a fantastic device for photography and movies, as it gives the viewer the impression of either swooping down upon the subject or flying over the subject. The bird's eye view has also a psychological effect. It makes the subject appear smaller and weaker. Three-point perspective has three vanishing points and three orthogonal lines. In a bird's eye view, the third vanishing point is placed below the horizon line, meaning that the image is being viewed from up. Here is an example of a chair drawn in three-point perspective from a bird's eye view. Observe the horizon line and the location of the three vanishing points. Maurits Cornelis Escher, a very famous Dutch graphic artist, is known for his perspective pictures and geometric lithographs. He played with architecture, perspective, and impossible spaces through his excellent woodcuts, lithographs, and mezzotints. This iconic lithograph print, Ascending and Descending, depicts a large building roofed by a never-ending staircase. Another work of this great master of illusion is this bird's eye view woodcut print, Tower of Babel. In our previous lesson, you have already experimented the three-point perspective from an ant's eye view. Let us now try out the step-by-step process for the bird's eye view. Step 1. Draw the line of horizon. Place the two vanishing points, one on the right and one on the left. Draw two orthogonal lines from each vanishing point at the bottom by intersecting to form the shape. Step 2. Place the third vanishing point below the line of horizon between the other two vanishing points. The position should be a bit far below the horizon. Join the bottom of the shape to VP3. The line should be perpendicular to the line of the horizon. Step 3. Starting from the third vanishing point VP3, vanishing lines run to the corners of the base area. These vanishing lines represent the edges of the geometrical form. Step 4. Draw the lower surface of the geometrical form. The corners of the surface are defined by the vanishing lines of the vanishing points VP1, VP2, and VP3. The height can be determined freely and connected to the construction lines within the triangles towards VP3 to form the structure. Step 5. Draw the real edges of the geometrical form with a pencil and erase the construction lines. Here is the final outcome. Let us now have a look at some examples of bird's eye view drawings. Observe the converging lines on this perspective drawing of Banapli Asur, an Indian YouTube artist. Japanese artist Kiyohiko Azuma's cityscape ink drawing carries a powerful intensity and detail that are born from his deep feelings. Darren Veal, an American artist, has a unique viewpoint of his approach to three-point perspective. Further ideas on three-point perspective for the bird's eye view can be seen in this Flemish cityscape painting of Elizabeth Elkin. John Falter's painting displays a magnificent view of the Marmot Hill in New York. American artist Sylvie Deneux depicts a night scene of a bird's eye view. Czech artist Maximilian D'Amico projects an oil painting of Paris Street in France. And Canadian artist Brian Simons with his marvelous greenish cityscape. Stephen Wiltshire is an autistic artist who draws detailed cityscapes. He has a particular talent for drawing lifelike, accurate depictions of cities, skylines, and street scenes, sometimes after having only observed them briefly. Stephen's drawings are popular all over the world. His most recent work is the Royal Albert Hall in UK. Dear students, we have reached the end of this lesson. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.